Hello Year 10s. I want to cover the area of polygon, and the example I'm going to use is Pentagon. So regular polygon would have same angles, 108, 108, 108, 108, 108. This could be found using the formula m-2 times 180 degrees divided by n. So there's 5 sides, so n is 5, take away 2 times 180, and that should give you 3 times 180, 540 divided by 5, and that should give you 108 degrees. Okay, that's how you found 108. The thing I want to cover right now is how to find an area. So one way of doing it would be finding a section of a pentagon. So if I take 1/5 of a pentagon, 1/5 of a pentagon, that should be a triangle that you'll be seeing. Now one of these angles, the top angle should be 72, as if you look up here, you got, that should be 360, and 360 divided by 5 should get you 72 on your calculators. Also, these two angles, you could work it out by using 108 divided by 2, and that should give you 54 each. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to divide the triangle in half again, so we get a right angle triangle, and I do want to find the height of this. We know this is 54 degrees, we know that's 1 centimeter. To find the unknown length, you would need to use trigonometry, and that is going to be within SOHCAHTOA. So if this angle is the main angle that we need to use, this will become opposite. We know hypotenuse is the longest, and we know 1 to be adjacent. Out of here, I'll choose that has O and A. In that case, that would be TOA. So I'll rewrite TOA into full formula. 10 equals opt. Now, next step would be substituting all the numbers. So 10, 54 equals opposite, we don't know, so I'll put it as x, adjacent 1. Now it should be 10, 54 times 1 should be x. Now this is important that you do need to listen up for this. Now on your calculator, you need to switch it on, and you need to go to settings, and you do need to say degrees. You do need to be in degrees mode to do this properly. So it must be in degrees. Okay, make sure you're in degrees mode. Okay, when you type this in, so 1054 close bracket times 1, I get an answer 1.37638,192. I'm just going to write x equals 1. And then I'm just going to round it to 1.376, and that the unit will be centimeters. So that's what you would find to be the height of the triangle. Now, what we could do right now, because we know this is to be 54, 1.376, that's 1. Now we could actually work out the area of this triangle. Area of a triangle is area equals half base height, which just means area equals half times base times height. All of these are present. Half times base, which is 1, times height 1.376. So if I do use a calculator, 0.5, which is half, times 1 times 1.376, I got 0.688 centimeters for this area here. Now, what we need to find are the areas for the entire pentagon. So, first of all, we'll find the area of that, which would be 1/5 of a pentagon, or twice the size that we have found initially of a right angle. So, to work that out, that will be 0.688 times about 2. So we come up with 1.376. Next step would be finding the area of a pentagon, which would be, pentagon looks like this, and the shape up there has that area, so it's 1.376 times it by 5, and that gets you 6.88 centimeter squared. I'll do this on a calculator. So you got 0.688 times 2 times 5, which gets you 6.88 centimeters squared, and that's the way that you could work out the area of Pentagon. Cool.